Long-term retirement planning with a self-directed IRA. Hey everyone, Adam Bergman here, tax attorney, founder of IRA Financial. Today's video, I am going to explain why if you are a long-term investor, want to really plan for retirement, there's nothing better than doing it in a self-directed IRA. Long-term investments mesh super well with retirement planning. Why? They both have long-term horizons. So any investment that takes time to mature, whether it's private equity, maybe, or hedge funds, or maybe it's startup stock, or maybe even it's cryptos, right? Maybe you think Bitcoin's going to go to $1 million a Bitcoin or 500,000, and now it's in the 60s or 70,000s. You say, you know what? I'm in my 30s or 40s. I can't really touch the money for another 15, 20, 30 years. It's a great solution to just kind of hold and wait. And founder stock too. Most venture capital growth companies are going to take 5 to 10 years to really get to a point where there's a real good liquidation event, real good exit for that company. Same with a private equity fund or a hedge fund or a credit fund or a real estate fund or a venture capital fund. Most of those funds are 5 to 7 year horizons. And for venture capital, it's even longer. It could be 10 to 12 years. So doing that with private non-retirement money, a little more difficult. Why? There's cash flow issues, right? God forbid there's medical issues or interest rates go up and your mortgage goes up higher, or kids now want to go to private school, or they got into a private university and you absolutely need to send them there and there's lack of scholarships, whatever it is. When you have personal money, you need it to live, right? We know how much more things cost today than they did pre-COVID, right? No one could have planned for that. No one saw COVID coming. So the retirement account is for the future, right? It's for when you're at least 59 and a half. Hopefully when you're in your 60s or 70s, you will be able to use those funds to help supplement Social Security or supplement your other savings so you can live a great and long, fruitful and successful life without stress and financial insecurity. Now, doing long-term retirement planning with a self-directed IRA is probably, in my case, in my sense, the most tax advantageous and really the most investment-wise option, because you want to do investments that have long-term horizons. And that's where the IRA world will help you, because the passive income generated by these long-term investments, whether it's capital gains, whether it's dividend stocks, whether it's interest from loan funds, credit funds, whether it's rental income from real estate, gains from investment funds or founder stock, again, those can take 5, 10 years. Those are all passive, and those all should, in general, be sheltered from tax. So doing the long-term investments where you don't have cash flow issues in a retirement account and a tax advantageous, tax optimized account where you can shelter all the income and gains from tax. And if you're doing it in a Roth IRA, ultimately pull the money out of the Roth IRA after 59 and a half tax-free, or in the case of a pre-tax IRA, at least being able to determine what you want to pull out to help manage your tax rates gives you tons of flexibility. And even if you have a pre-tax IRA, the money in that IRA is growing without tax. That's known as deferral, compound return, Rule 72. Your money will double every 8 years, assuming a 9% rate of return. So whether it's a Roth IRA or a pre-tax IRA, you're going to be able to take advantage of the power of deferral, compound returns. The only thing is the Roth, of course, once you're 59 and a half and the Roth's been open at least 5 years, you can pull everything out tax-free. So from a retirement planning, long-term investment strategy, the self-directed IRA will offer you investment diversification, freedom, control, and a very tax advantageous opportunity. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're looking to set up a self-directed IRA, obviously no pressure. Just click the QR code and you can check out our quick account option. 45 seconds, you have an account open, and you can see how it goes. And obviously, you would be on your journey to taking control of your retirement freedom. But if you have questions, we have an amazing team of tax professionals standing by that will happily answer any questions. You can also just check out the thousands of other videos on this feed. I probably drop about 3 videos a week, 3 podcasts a week. I've written 8 books. I'm actually in process of writing a 9th. So this is all I do. I love providing all you guys content so you can learn, become smarter, and hopefully richer retirement investors. Thanks again for watching. I hope to see everyone again next week. Take care.